Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the latest update on what's happening in ITP Corporation. Today's date is December 4th, 2023 already. December 3 is over. That means the upgrade, the upgrade and the new system is now starting. Let's see if the deposit of $100 is true. If you put a deposit of $100 in the new system, they promise that they can restore your account. Let's find out if this is true. So I'm just showing you the WhatsApp messages that the ITP official group sent in the old account. So I'm gonna show you next when I click the link in here to open a new account. So I'm now in the new login account. I had to create a new login using my phone number, and this is what they're showing in the new system, like the announcement and everything. It's almost the same. It's everything is the same except that my money wasn't there. It's just saying that $8, only $8 in the new system. Yes, you can, if as you can see, I've got only $8. I didn't put any money yet. I'm just showing you all the details from home to mine. Home, quantize, team, assets, and mine. It was December 2 when I created my new account, and a few hours before December 3rd, I deposited the $100 in my new account. So now I'm going back to the WhatsApp, wherein this is the new WhatsApp group in the new system. I'm gonna go back to the latest one, wherein that was yesterday. Okay, this was the Friday one, wherein they're just announcing the the new login and how to log in to the new system. And this was I think yesterday, if you can see. Yeah, this was yesterday, like how to recover the ITP account, and then this was today, which is December 4th, if you can see. Okay, I'm going to just read this part where this message was sent this morning, December 4th, 11:38 in the morning. ITP Intelligent Quantitative Trading System is being upgraded. This upgrade is to help ITP users who have activated their ITP account to restore data. Affected users, please wait patiently. That was 11:38 in the morning of December 4th. And then the next one was sent in the afternoon. It says, Dear ITP users, ITP user assets are gradually being restored. Please be patient if you are not sorted or you can enter your original ITP account ID number, phone number, and balance via feedback within the app, and ITP will help you to sort it out quickly. The format is as follows: ID number, phone number, account balance, valid users only. New ITP account must deposit more than 100 USDT to recover data. That was sent at 3:08 in the afternoon. Now I'm going back to my ITP account to check if this is true. And look, as you can see, there is something in the new account. This was $108 in the morning, but today I'm checking it at nearly 4 o'clock in the afternoon after reading the WhatsApp message. I am now seeing something in my new account. It's been restored, and I'll let you do the math. I'm going to show you my old assets from my previous account. So this was my old asset, as you can see. And if you add the $108, you'll see the new asset. This is the new asset now. And I'm going to show you that if I can quantize today. Now I'm starting to quantize today. If you can see, 5 out of 5, now 4 out of 5. So this has been sped up, guys, so I'm not going to show you the whole time that I'm doing the quantize, but check the upper right corner as well. The upper right corner, it says the date and the time that I was doing while I was doing this, so December 4th. So as you can see, it's been the money for today's earning has been added, and I'm showing this to you in real time that I was doing the quantize. So it is true, ITP is real, the $100 is real, the restoration data is true. So I'm glad that I deposited $100, but then obviously until I haven't withdrawn my money after 21 days, I can say that I'm not safe yet. So if you want a follow-up or an update for this during my withdrawal, please don't forget to subscribe so I can update you for more. Thank you for watching. Bye.